the king. Hey, back again with another reaction video. You know what I'm saying? As you see by the thunder and title, we got a short horror film. Skintight. No, Ski Night. Ski Night. I think it's Ski Night though. But yeah. Hey man, I hope y'all had a good ass day. Hope y'all was safe yesterday on the 4th. You know what I'm saying? Hope everybody had a good time, did your little firework thing, you know what I'm saying? Did what it did with the whoa, Nate. You know what I'm saying? You knocked out everything you had to do today. You feel me? Got everything done. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, you ain't get too lit today. I mean, yeah, today and yesterday. Cause you know, the cookouts, they be carrying over to the next day. You know what I'm saying? So if you was at a cookout, hope you had a good time, stayed safe, and enjoyed your family. You know what I'm saying? Your family, friends. Everybody has a good ass time. But before we get into the video, you know what I'm saying? I want you to like, comment, and share the video. Road to 1K. We're on our way to the top. Not gonna stop. When we show not gonna motherfucking drop, nigga. Hey man. Let's get into the motherfucking video, man. We ain't gonna do no more talking, man. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. If my energy seemed kind of low, I ain't gonna lie. I took a nap. I'm just waking up. You know what I'm saying? So my energy gonna pick up throughout the video, but let's get into it. All I saw before me were acres of skin. It was like a pharmacy in the field for the first time. Dr. Albert Klingman, I think. But yeah, we got the water. Hey, y'all go ahead and watch it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, man, stay hydrated, my nigga. Look like some saw shit, some jigsaw shit. What we got going on, bro? What? It's getting tight.
That southern breeze, that air that has a strong metallic-like scent. We are breathing in poison now, rising from the roots of the soil.
I hope y'all can see this shit.
The field is still lush, and the wind still blows just right. I can't wait till you see Robin. This is all quite hard to fully describe.
What we about to get into, bro? Off rip though. You know, only 1 minute and 45 seconds in. Hey, now I had the top on and shit. My stood. This look like it's gonna be one of the ones, bro. How everything starting so far. Hey, let's get. Okay. This shit look like one of them CDs you get from the on the corner when you at the barber shop. They selling them CDs at the corner store, at the corner of the barber shop and shit. One of them hood movie films and shit. What the fuck is this? Shit look like it's at the East Coast where they found this motherfucker. I understand. Look up. Giving her these notes, bro. What's going on? Told you it's like some soft shit, bro. Like Jigsaw shit. I'ma fuck your head up with all the extracurricular. You know what I'm saying? They fucking her head up, bro.
Hey, mama, what you doing here?
Man, I came to pick up my last check.
You quit? Is there anything I can help you with today, sir?
What's wrong with him?
Man, these people.
Oh, I literally just talking to my man.
Took the
And
words
thanks
right
for your
out my
job.
mouth. These people, man.
Actually, I came to pick up my last check.
I know.
Nah, hold up.
Oh shit. Playing with her money, bro.
What is this?
Your paycheck.
This doesn't even have my last 2 shifts on it. What am I supposed to do with this?
I don't know. It's not my problem.
It's time to start my second life.
Playing with her money,
The farming
bro.
life that I wished for.
Can't play with a woman
We're
money.
about to go and harvest.
I'm gonna report this. You can't keep playing me.
Just be glad you're getting something. Take it or leave it. You know, there's nothing else. If I'm being honest with you, honey, this is me helping you out.
What happened?
Man, she being an asshole. That's what happened.
Look, you just gotta sit down and talk with her.
I'm over it. I don't even have the energy. You got a second?
Yeah, it's about time for my break anyway. Come on.
Man, I don't know how you stay working here, man.
I gotta pay the bills, man.
So, I think someone's stalking me.
Hmm?
They've been sending me these confusing ass letters. I
Nigga's
don't know
not
how to
even
describe
lit,
it. Here,
nigga.
just look at this.
This nigga. This not even lit.
This look like a
Like that.
kid wrote it, fam. You probably just
Not even
overreacting.
lit.
Someone could be messing with you, especially since we just moved out here.
No, I just don't feel right.
Just relax a bit. You're getting worked up over nothing.
I don't know. I'm trying not to let it get to me. I'm trying to ignore it. I've been through worse shit than this, you know?
But seriously, that shit
The
don't
whole
even
point of me moving out here was to start my life over. Thought maybe moving would be a breath of fresh air, away from the bullshit. I don't know. I just needed someplace smaller. My mom, she always like,
Like they out
Robin, you never know
fucking,
what you
I
want
don't
to
know what
do.
it
Damn
is.
near 30 and you always moving. She's right though. Now I'm stuck. Stuck and broke. Ain't that some shit?
Robin, I'm telling you, just relax. This is nothing. Just ink on paper. Whoever this is just playing games with you. There's no reason to stress about it.
Jimmy.
Hey, stay safe, all right?
Oh, he got that bitch too. Oh, she talking to the opposition, my nigga. What the fuck is going on, bro? What do that shit mean, bro?
You're so beautiful, darling.
My
Melanin
mama, my mama.
radius of your wrists. Chocolate girl.
Okay. Got that neo soul music playing. I feel it. I feel it. ain't said Trish. I ain't gonna lie, Charlotte look good though. I ain't gonna hold it. But look, hey, nah, this ain't good so far though.
Hey, Mama.
Pen down. Hold on, Robin. Put that pen down now. How are you? How's work?
I'm fine. It's fine. We got a cousin, Tatiana, right?
Yeah. Miss Ann's baby? That's a distant cousin. She passed away about 5 years ago. Why?
No reason.
What's going on?
I don't want you to worry, Ma. I'm handling it.
What? Baby, what is going on?
I've been getting a few letters with a double triangle.
Saying, hey, look, man, no matter what,
Most of them have my
and your
name
mama
on it, but
and the mama eye, you always
this
gonna be their
one
little baby. You know what I'm
says
saying?
Tatiana.
What kind of letter? Double triangle symbol? Wait. I need to call Reverend Johnson. This sounds real familiar. Look, I need you to lock all the doors. I am on my way. And I need you to call 911, baby, now.
Okay, hold on, Ma.
Wait.
Fuck. Fine. And she just tell you lock all doors up.
I think someone's stalking me. I don't know what they look like. I think it could be more than one person.
Are you home, ma'am?
Yes.
Is it possible they are inside of your home?
No.
Lock them doors, girl. What is you doing? Who's this? They spiked her. No. Now they about to hit her with it. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Like, nah, bruh.
It's taken years and years to get to this point. Decades. Centuries of blood, sweat, and tears. But here we are. Keeping the sacred tradition alive and well.
Bro, what the You need to explain that triangle.
So much more behind this mask. The deepest, strongest quality that skin can have is power. It's here, and here, and here. It's everywhere.
I don't think they about to do what I think they about to do, bro. Only inside, so.
Why do you keep looking away? Understand your place. Understand that there is no way out of it. You can't break the chain. No one can.
Every time I go,
It's just a cycle, Robin. That's it. I'm so happy you're finally about to be perfect. So do me a favor and just smile. You people need to get together. Come on now.
they just the fuck. Hold on, was that all pictures of her? Well, that's just they next victims and shit. Hold on, I had what the fuck, bro? Like I said, it took decades, centuries, years, nigga. Get to it. Oh, that's her mom. Is that her mama, bro? Nah, that can't be her mama, so. Nah, that probably. Oh, they just picking out their neck. You know what I mean? Like, my nigga, these niggas like, bruh, these niggas the mafia type shit, man. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Watching you for years, watching your every move. These niggas like the pharmacy. Nah, let me stop. Nah, fuck, they like the pharmacy market, nigga. Pick out their next victims. Handle them a goddamn, you know what I mean? That's some shit that's not gonna work. Antibiotics that don't even work. Nigga, hey, pharmacy the real mob, my nigga. That's what I'm getting at. What they gonna do with that? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Skintight my ass, nigga. She got out that motherfucker, nigga. But what the fuck they gonna do with the skin though? They gonna like, I don't know what the fuck. I don't know. On some goddamn Leatherface shit. Probably make a mask out that bitch. I don't know. But yeah, man, if you like that reaction video and you knew you never seen the channel, you know what I'm saying? You just stumbled upon this video. You know what I'm saying? You made it this far. Go ahead and leave a like and comment. Be like, hey man, like the reaction. About to subscribe. Nah, be like, I just joined the KQ family, man. Just joined the KQ squad. So yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. You know what I'm saying? You made it this far, go ahead. Goddamn, do what it do. You feel me? I don't really know how to feel about this short horror film. I mean, it won't trash, but it won't goddamn. It was in the middle. You know what I'm saying? It was in the middle. And I didn't really understand like what you know what I'm saying, why they doing this to the people. Like it looked like it was only a selective race. That's what it looked like. That they was going after. I could be tweaking though. But the pattern, you know what I'm saying, it looked like it was a selective, you feel me, that they was going after and shit. And yeah. But she got up out them chains though. She said nobody can get up out them chains. She got up out of them. She the first person to get up out of there. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man.